Molweni kwakhona. Hello again, Ninjani, and how are you? Ndiphilile enkosi, and I'm fine, thank you. Right, let's go to the game park. Masiye kumyezo wezilwanyana. Umyezo is a natural reserve wezilwanyana for animals. And here we are going to Addo, which is a game park about 80 kilometers from Port Elizabeth in the Eastern Cape. So we went to Addo on Saturday. Siye, we went Addo ngomgqibelo. Siye Addo ngomgqibelo. How did you get there? Nihambe ngantoni? By what means did you go there? We went by bus. Sihambe ngebhasi. Sihambe ngebhasi. What did you see? Nibone ntoni? Nibone ntoni? We saw lots of animals. Sibone izilwanyana ezininzi. Sibone izilwanyana ezininzi. And what was it like? The experience. Bekunjani? Bekunjani? It was very nice. Bekumnandi kakhulu. So take note of the highlighted vocabulary. Bekumnandi kakhulu. See, here we have pictures of various animals, and really all we're going to talk about is whether we saw them or not. So here we have elephants, indlovu. Elephants are big. Indlovu zinkulu. Did you see elephants? Nibone indlovu. Ewe sibone indlovu. We did see elephants. Or the negative, hayi asibonanga indlovu. Asibonanga, we did not see. Sibone, we did see. Asibonanga, we did not see. And this will be repeated several times during this video. A lion, ingonyama. Did you see lions? Nibone ingonyama. Ewe sibone ingonyama. Yes, we saw lions. The double I signifies plural. Sibone ingonyama. Asibonanga ngonyama. We did not see any lion at all. Sibone asibonanga. Buffalo, inyati, a very dangerous animal. Did you see buffalo? Nibone inyati. Ewe sibone inyati. Or hayi asibonanga zinyati. And a buffalo can be described as dangerous. Inyati nobungozi. Nobungozi, dangerous. The in purple refers to it being the buffalo. Inyati nobungozi. A rhino, umkhombe. Did you see rhino? Nibone imikhombe, more than one rhino. Ewe sibone imikhombe. Hayi asibonanga mikhombe. A rhino, it again is very dangerous, and take note of the different it to what we used in the previous slide. Umkhombe nobungozi. Umkhombe nobungozi. Kakhulu, very much so. A leopard, ihlosi. Did you see leopard? Nibone amahlosi. Now the ama refers to more than one leopard. Nibone amahlosi. Ewe sibone amahlosi. Hayi asibonanga mahlosi. And the leopard, as we know, climbs trees. And he has a different it yet again. Ihlosi li kwela emtini. Ihlosi li kwela emtini. Take note of the different its as we move along. A hippo. Imvubu. Imvubu. Did you see hippo? Nibone imvubu. The double I signifies plural. Nibone imvubu. Ewe sibone imvubu. Hayi asibonanga zimvubu. And again, it, a hippo, it is very dangerous. Imvubu I nobungozi. Imvubu I nobungozi. A cheetah, ingwenkala. Ingwenkala. Did you see any cheetah? Plural. Nibone ingwenkala. Nibone ingwenkala. Ewe sibone ingwenkala. Hayi asibonanga zingwenkala. A cheetah runs very fast. Ingwenkala I baleka run msinya kakhulu. Ingwenkala I baleka msinya kakhulu. A kudu. I Kudu. I Kudu. Did you see kudu? Nibone ama Kudu. Nibone ama Kudu. Ewe sibone ama Kudu. Hayi asibonanga ma Kudu. And as you can see, a kudu is a very beautiful animal. I Kudu lihle kakhulu. I Kudu lihle kakhulu. On the contrary, the warthog is very ugly. Ingulube. Ingulube. Did you see warthog? Nibone ingulube. Nibone ingulube. Yes, there are many. Ewe zininzi. Zininzi. And we did not see any, which would be most unusual in Addo. Asibonanga zingulube. Asibonanga. And here we describe the warthog as being very ugly. Ingulube imbi kakhulu. Ingulube imbi kakhulu. Very ugly. And just some additional vocab, no descriptions. A porcupine, inqanda, inqanda. And a meerkat, igala. Igala, it's a type of mongoose, I suppose. Igala. Inqanda and igala. And finally, two snakes, inyoka. Inyoka. A cobra, udlezinye. Udlezinye, the cobra, very, very poisonous and dangerous. Udlezinye. And the puff adder, ichamba. Ichamba. Equally dangerous. So here we have these two snakes, common in the Eastern Cape, udlezinye and ichamba. And that concludes the video. Inkosi kakhulu.